Oh, I love mowing my lawn, especially in this time. I wonder if these things are dangerous.
Give me a lawnmower.
What lawnmower?
That lawnmower.
I don't have a lawnmower.
Yes, you do.
Hold on. I got a chair. You want a chair?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Those things
It's
are.
good. It's good for sitting.
You can get another one on eBay. They're only $685. And that's pretty cheap if you don't steal.
Is that a fake gun?
No.
That's a fake gun.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Look at that. Yeah, now I got my lawnmower.
Don't touch my lawnmower. Dude, do you have another gun?
Yeah. You want to get it? I keep it in my pants so cops don't see.
I know, dude.
Pretty smart,
Me
ain't it?
too, but I keep it in the front. Okay, okay, I always do this with my new guns. I'm sorry. I gotta do this.
Pretty impressive.
What's that noise? Do you hear that? Someone's coming.
I think we better
Get away from me!
I better get going. One thing before I leave. Hope you don't like him.
Dude, that was my grandpa. I know I'm not black, but that's my grandpa. I mean, look at the bugs like flying in his mouth. Ew, look at that. Ugh. See you, grandpa. Die!
Oh.
Oh my goodness, I killed my mugger. Mowing my lawn. Mowing my lawn. That should take care of him. I never really liked this lawnmower anyway. Do you mind? Come on, you're coming in my closet. Never mind, I don't want you.